Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to log into your ShopBase store. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile, of course guys, or register firstly. So basically you just need to go and register first. We have a video on that on our YouTube channel. So firstly, until we learn how to log in, you just need to firstly go and create your own account. Now that we got that out of the way, as you can see here, we have the home features, why ShopBase, templates, resources, and pricing. And in the top right corner, we have the login and start your free trial. When you go to our video, you'll see that you need to click start 14-day free trial to actually create your account. But when you have one, you just need to click on the login button. After that, all you need to do is go and type in, of course, your email, then type the password that you have set on this account and click sign in. Now, as you can see, you will be signed into ShopBase. Just a second, and here you are. So welcome to ShopBase. Here you have your account, you have your home, orders, products, fulfillments, analytics, apps, your profile in the bottom side of the screen, select plan, and all of these things. So you are logged in now. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.